Police are calling the murder of a Tempe woman over the weekend horrific and violent. Steve Nielsen has more on the man arrested and what happened inside a Tempe apartment complex on Sunday morning. Steve?
Yeah, well, I actually just spoke with Tammy Begay's sister within the last 15 minutes. She described her as a hiker, someone who had her life on track. She was about to become a dental hygienist. And the court paperwork details what happened Sunday morning. And some viewers might find those details disturbing.
Mason Nez walks into the courtroom with what appears to be a bandage on his hand, facing a murder charge for what happened Sunday morning.
On one charge, it's murder in the first degree.
On the second floor of the Camden Apartments in Tempe, police say Nez and others were gathered having drinks, some playing pool, a few were sitting on the couches. The woman who wouldn't survive, 23-year-old Tammy Begay, was sitting near Nez, authorities say. The group had been there for hours. The court paperwork reveals surveillance video captured what happened next. Police say Nez put his arms around Tammy's head while she tried to get away. The details are graphic. Authorities write that Nez used a pocket knife to attack her face and body. Friends were seen in the video running out of the clubhouse. They called 911. When police arrived, they say Nez was holding Tammy. She was taken to the hospital and didn't survive. Tempe police didn't want to talk further, but called the attack horrific and violent. After Nez was taken to the hospital for injuries to his hand, the paperwork says Nez didn't react to the news she died, saying, "I'm used to receiving bad news." The officer says Nez told them he wished police killed him so he didn't have to go to jail.
And Nez's secured bond was set at $1.5 million. Talking with Tammy's family, they told me that she had 3 sisters, she was an aunt, and she wanted you to know that she was very loved and will be missed. Reporting live tonight, Steve Nielsen, Fox 10 News.